It starts with a desire to find the most elegant solution to your unique challenge, your infinity. Sometimes it's a simple change to an existing piece to satisfy a specific need. One that creates a unique function or delivers the perfect form. Other times, it's a differentiating solution that's totally unique to a space or a brand. Many times, it's both. Our dedicated team of specialists gives you the ability to create unique solutions to even the most difficult challenges. We do more than design the solution. We craft a manufacturing process that works for you. After all, spaces and environments speak volumes, not just about what you do, but who you really are. We're here to help you make that impressive statement, because together, the opportunities and possibilities are endless.